Maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I could have, and maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should have. If I made you feel second best, girl, I'm sorry I was blind. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. And maybe I didn't hold you all those lonely, lonely times. And I guess I never told you I'm so happy that you're mine. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. But you were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Tell me that your sweet love hasn't died, and give me one more chance to keep you satisfied. I'll keep you satisfied. Should have said and done, I just never took the time. But you were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind.
Love me somebody, somebody love me, take me for what I'm worth, but only love me, but only love me. Well, there was a crazy fool who followed you home from school, hoping you would say hello, but you didn't know. And you were breaking my heart. Love me somebody, somebody love me, take me for what I'm worth, but only love me, but only love me. Well, I was the crazy fool who followed you Somebody let me, take me for what I'm worth. But only love me, 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 but only love me.
It's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. Hits you when it's too late, hits you when you're down. It's a fool's game.